Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Hopefully that you all are doing well. Let's start with your reading. Alright. Some of you been recently out of some trouble. Okay? And I kind of feel like you weren't aware that it is or it will become that kind of situation, but it turned out that way. And you people came out of that with like kind of like how we say it's like elite way. Okay, some of you might have gone through a little bit of adjustments or certain situation that came as in like out of nowhere. Okay, and you just turned that thing upside down and you came out of that. Okay, and that kind of energy is coming for some of you. And there's this bottom energy as the Tower, something that may have turned things in your heart or mind or made you upset, or maybe it was something unexpected out of the blues, and some of you may end up taking certain decisions, or you took certain decision in this recent time frame, though this is major, but still. Okay, I kind of get this energy. Maybe it is connected with something work related, offer, or something that was supposed to be stopped. You stopped it. Now what I'm seeing here for you guys is the major message here. I'm seeing as if like you're watching your own moon. Okay, with the concept that this is like a window and moon. So the moon from your window, that's what I can see and tell you exactly. So just like you are just peeping to the moon, to your moon, which is like moon is one, but your moon or earth moon. But then again, you are seeing your moon from the window. I am getting the vibe of like there's this certain dream which is outside this home, outside this comfort zone, or outside of this particular situation you might be in right now. You're figuring out your way to reach to that particular dream or person, or this may be certain desire connected with you. This fits you anyhow. This is your situation where you really want to see the moon. And now today I'm in front of the camera after long. I'm trying that I can come, because earlier, like prior, I used to come. There was this beautiful message on my Instagram, and she said that, I don't know whether I should take the name or not, but the name starts with N, and many others said too, but she said specifically in the message box that do come on, in front of camera. It is more charming, it is more, we love watching you, like when you read. Thank you so much. Thank you. So what I was saying is that there is this particular moon. Now moon, with this moon, maybe some of you are living in certain kind of illusion. Now, I'm not saying that you don't know the truth, but it is just something that you might be desiring, living inside of course, but you really want to open that window, which is about you really need to dare something here, and the moon then is going to be yours, kind of like the dream or the truth or the illusion or something. I'm also hearing something suddenly came through is like draft, D-R-A-F-T. It is like inside in the folder, but you never did send it. Like it was never done in like sent, okay, S-E-N-T. It was never ticked because you never did it, okay? So this may be certain thing that you might have like written, or you might have wrote, but you never did that action that was supposed to be done. However, this may go from certain side as well, because these are general readings, so maybe it is about the person you might be dealing. Now, the window is closed. Okay, glass window with boxes, white color. That's the standard basic view I can see. And it is closed, and maybe it is something connected with the block, or maybe it is something not claiming it. But there is this moon outside waiting for you. For many of you, this moon is there. So maybe it is connected with your love. Maybe it is connected with certain dream, certain truth. This may be with Taurus or Capricorn. This may be with the Piscean in specific. And you usually sit, possible it is in real, you have a particular window, the way I'm just explaining or portraying. And there's this particular window, and you usually go there and you see the moon, okay, and then you dream a lot, you listen to songs, Maybe this is about the dream or the moon talk that you might be having right now. Maybe this is about midnight talks. Maybe this is something happening right now with the person, with your honey, with your moon, right? So that kind of energy. Okay, so I'm impressed. The cut part, and you have Six of Cups energy. So maybe it is connected with some kind of flashback. Maybe someone you love, maybe this person is connected with you from a long time, from the past. Maybe this is what you expect, this is what the change you really want. Maybe the thing that you have right now, this star, maybe this is telling me this is when things gonna shake up and two people gonna fall from the tower, which is about the major change in life, when enlightenment is going to happen. Okay, now enlightenment is all about that I want this and I want to dare that. Okay, or the change that is supposed to be coming, again enlightenment or striking of the lightning, and out of the blue someone gonna make a call there, or someone gonna send that whatever is in draft. 0606 recording time here, and here you go. I'm hearing policy. I don't know why it is coming. POLICY, policy, something connected with that. But I'm also hearing, I heard draft. And draft may be presenting something that was supposed to be done, or that is supposed to be done in this time frame, but no one is doing it. Now, how it fits your situation. This is like you've written it, you're keeping it with yourself. Someone is thinking again about sending it. Okay, so this may be certain connection. This may be certain job interview, certain idea, certain booking. Okay, someone who is stopping prior to send it, whatever it is. I heard kind of like someone gonna claim something big. Now claiming possible is definitely love, and you have beneath it as Nine of Cups. Standing with something for a very long time, keeping something here for a very long time, to renew it or to want it, to desire it. This is like wish coming true, desire coming true. Like someone does want it, and for some of you, for many of you possible, this is what is your love that you desire, love that is there, love that you're enjoying, love that might be resurging. So maybe a reunion call, maybe someone will end up calling, and the reason is that the window and someone is looking outside to the moon. Like it's time you open the window. I feel like many of you are going to open the window and see the clear view of that moon. Now, not everyone is going in for romantic relationships here. Some are working, some are making their dreams come true. Okay, now I have this one question, that what is with someone is struggling to take this decision. With the Five of Wands, it is something that fighting your own desires, that no, I don't want to take this, but actually you have to take this roller coaster because you desire this, because you want it. So for many of you, this may be dare, this may be unexpected decision that you're about to take. Some of you are in the towers, like Rapunzel in the tower, or this may be prince or princess. It's not necessary that only princesses in the tower. Many princes are there in the towers. Many who are waiting for their love. Many who are waiting for that someone gonna save them kind of energy. Let's see that. It's kind of I'm hearing like someone over here is not giving up. Kind of like, I'm gonna fight back. I'm gonna fight for what I really want. I'm not going to get exhausted, and I'm not going to stay here. Okay? So, can you tell me that what's that window and the moon story? Okay, so the moon and the window story is all about Ace of Wands. This is all about your action. Okay, this is all about what you're supposed to do. This is like, you know, the butterfly is trying to tell you that you're ready. Butterfly is trying to tell you that metamorphosis and all of that, you're no longer caterpillar. Why you're not flying? You're supposed to be. Some of the butterflies, like as in humans, symbolism, you people are inside the window. Why? Why? Because you're supposed to be in the garden. You're not supposed to be here inside, locked up. That's why there is exhaust situation. Okay, so this is about Ace of Wands. This is about karma. So maybe connections, lessons, experiences. It is also about the flower that you really want. It's about manifestation. It's about your next step. Next step regarding your love of life. Next step regarding your desire. What is that you desire the most? Not hurting anyone, not hurting yourself, but what is that you desire the most? I feel that many of you might be struggling in order to pursue something, to take certain step here. Okay, I have still one question. To end something, to no longer drag it. And to no longer drag it, you need one step. Okay, I may tell you, but you have to do it. Okay, if it's you, otherwise, look, Six of Swords. That's the move that someone does want to make, or they should take. Okay, Six of Swords is movement. Six of Swords is bitter or better, or bitter experiences making you better, or your bitter experiences letting you take better decisions, right? Ten of Wands. It's adios as well to some situations. Whatever situation that is giving you exhaust situation, pain, pretend zone, or something that you're just dragging and dragging and you're tired. Okay? Let me see. This may be the one, the lovers, you are searching for that harmony. Okay? Some of you are married, some of you might be in long-term relationships. I'm not going to give the status to your connection, but yes, maybe relationships are going in for like marriages, long-term dating, some commitment might not be coming. Someone who is married but is in love with someone, because something is a mess here in the current relationship, I see. Okay, this may be Gemini. This may be the love that you are seeing. This may be possible the moon is seeing you from certain kind of window. They know that you are there. You know, I can actually picture something here, that the one who might not be talking to you but kind of like seeing you from some window or a source, they know that you are there, but maybe it's like I'm hearing like a scary zone for some reason not to avail this opportunity, because they feel like what if kind of. I'm also hearing the word hard-earned money. So I first heard hard-earned, so definitely it's hard-earned in the relationship, but I got the word money. Okay. Excuse me. Something is difficult to say or do, or maybe to say no. Some of you are not going to let this hard-earned thing go away easily, because maybe it is connected with certain kind of investment, or someone is trying to push you, like push you in the way, convince you, and you're not getting that, and that may be causing trouble for the person. This was also online offers, collaboration talks and all that stuff, but not every collaboration is meant to be done, you know. So yeah, and this may be again Queen of Cups, so Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy here. I see like maybe this moon, kind of like, again, it's not necessarily because moon does represent Pisces, but again this energy is whole, is like you don't know the other side, and no one ever saw the other side of the moon, to be honest, and there might be something else. Hidden feelings, hidden things, and I'm not talking about science here, but everyone is aware that there are so many things behind the moon, the other side. That's an interesting topic. I love that. Okay. I heard the word earning, not the earning, but the yearning, like someone who wants something so bad, someone who want this connection so bad, someone who does want to move out of this blocked situation so much, kind of like, I want to break this window and go out. And the tower does represent that situation of like, when, how, okay. Okay, so they are trying to give me the message that this person is definitely King of Cups energy, okay, or Queen of Cups, however this fits, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or this may be someone who is way emotional or is emotional towards you, and maybe some of you are not even aware about it, the limit of that, like the exaggeration of something that is there in this person's heart, okay. Someone does love you to the core, from the depth of their heart, like the ocean. Now, and this may be someone from your past even, okay. Some of you might had this connection here of like physical relationship, yes, but not necessarily though for everyone. But if it is, it is. Then again, I said so that I'm not the one to give the status of your relationships here. No, it's just that connection is connection. And when people like, you know, hug each other, touch each other, make physical contact, kiss or something, it is in that time frame, and it is between these two energies, and they know what they are doing, and they, in that time frame, people say, oh, I did wrong, why did I hug that person? You are in love with that person, you were on their bike, you were riding, you were in their car, you were going everywhere, having a trip, drinking coffee, doing anything, but you were happy that time, which means that you people were enjoying that. Regretting and giving guilt or pain in your heart, that is wrong, okay. Wrong. You know, we all cry, but that's okay. So here, King of Cups is the one who might be outside this window. You are seeing this person, or this person is seeing you. This connection, yet not there in your area, yet not there in your drawing room or sitting, maybe not in physical sense. This may be the flashback of someone from the past. You talked, you had certain connection with them, and I really want to tell you this here. Some connections are moving ahead at an individual level. They are doing their stuff, you're doing your stuff, but you people are still connected somehow, connected in the way, maybe you were friends, maybe you were college mates, maybe you were schoolmates, and now this all is like karmic, and now people are taking their decisions. You are not there, again I'm telling you, in the physical appearances, like here, not in the room, not in the home, you might not have met them up for long, you might be missing that person out of the blues. I mean, you might have heard something about them, okay. This is something different concept here, I know that, but what's with this person? For some, Eight of Wands, the travel is in the card. For some cases, movement is in the cards. I feel like this is also talk with this person, like this is going to be unexpected for some cases, or some unexpected news that you're hearing or you heard, but I feel like this is going to come. This Eight of Wands is all about one step at a time, kind of, but then it is going, it's flourishing. This is your possible unorganized opening of the window, basically opening of the heart chakra, okay. Like, I don't like going deep in those chakras and alignments and all that stuff. It's good, people practice it, good, keep yourself aligned, of course, but I don't like going deep in that concept and then having those philosophical I want people to really chill a little bit and relax, and let's have a fun way of tarot as well. My readings go like this, and people love it, admire it, and I so appreciate it. There is going to be some unexpected changes in the talk sessions, in accepting, and this is going to be sudden. I'm feeling like sudden. Someone's gonna open that window. I'm gonna see that moon after so long. So maybe it is about unblocking, maybe it is about talking, maybe it is about unexpected travel, maybe it is about whatever it is. This is possible something coming from this person as well. Okay? And you have bottom energy as Three of Cups. I feel like because it is connected with that moon who is outside kind of, and I feel like you are in the inside of the window because you're taking care of yourself, healing kind of, or rejuvenation, or just not claiming something or might not be ready for that. This is the one who does want this with you, okay? Now here you have Three of Cups energy, which is about reunion or coming like together or kindred spirits. I also have this talk, okay, fine. They want me to take Sibila to, I feel someone is not that well. Maybe it's you, maybe it's them. It feels though we're light-hearted, but it's not, okay? Look, despair. Yeah. What this despair is trying to say we're going to figure out, but that's despair, okay? Someone is not liking this end or something like that. I don't like this card. Please come out of this. Someone who might not be feeling happy to end this, the roses or the bouquet or the letter or the connection or whatever it is. Maybe this happened. Maybe this is connected with the tower. Okay. I think whoever this person is or thinking about this, something negative to the core, don't think that way, because this is about planning ahead coming, which is important. Just settle there, okay? Settle, just sit and talk to me. If this is from this person's energy, there's a lot of despair. Like ifs and buts, maybe this person is missing you, maybe you are missing this person. Maybe whatever the situation is, it is about decisions those were made. Maybe it is about connected with the lover situation of wise choice or decision here, okay? But there's going to be a little bit of hurry and someone gonna open that window, which makes sense here because once it is done, you're going to see the other side of this person, or this person gonna reveal something to you. I feel like knocking on the window, watching, seeing you. Kind of energy is there. With the Knight of Wands energy, there may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but I kind of get this energy of like someone will hurry. For some cases, someone gonna miss someone so bad that they're going to suddenly react towards you, or they want to talk to you. They're going to be a lot of noise, kind of like knock, a call or something like that. Now again, this is King of Cups energy. I was thinking about what about this despair and all that stuff. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water sign is very heavy. I feel there's, I apologize. I feel like someone is desperate to make a move, take this decision, whatever it is, and this is heavy connected with your Six of Cups. I feel like you are not going to exaggerate something, which means that you are going to take things light in this time frame because you are inside and you are healing, and you will be the healer for someone. Maybe this is someone from your past. Again, there's a very heavy energy. There's also Page of Swords, so it is about something that you are not taking any SHIT, cutting the ties, you're done with. But this is also taking stand for yourself with the Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but it is also something that is coming, like a message or something. It's like in the future, okay? No, I have told them. Brooke. They're giving me the name Brooke. Brooke. B-R-O-O-K-E. B-R-U-K-E. Right, since double O. What that means? Maybe that meaning is also important for you. I'm also hearing kind effort. Someone gonna do it here. Okay, again you have the change, the Tower. Someone's decision is making someone sad here, that is for sure. Never thought that way. Someone gonna express that I'm so like I'm like dying inside kind of energy, like I'm breaking inside kind of energy. I hope you're going to handle the situation with Page of Swords. Okay, take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.